had the hiccups just before bed. I thought, okay, I've got the hiccups. Maybe there's a sneeze coming on. I felt the sneeze coming. There you go. Okay, got a hic. Okay, I'll start again. I started with hiccups. There goes another hiccup. I thought I was going to sneeze, so I put my camera on. Forgot to record again. Putting out recording, but I've got the hic, but I still feel, oh, there goes another hic. But I still feel a sneeze coming on. But it's getting so late. Oh, there goes another hic. I'm sorry I don't post sneezes. Oh, there goes another hic. Sorry I don't post sneezes so much, but sometimes my sneezes are so extreme that I have no control of my camera or my phone. My whole body is just in a spasm. There goes. Sorry. Hic. So I'm going to go to bed. Oh, there goes another hic. I don't know why I've got the hic. I'm not eating any bread. Oh, there goes another hic. Maybe it's another reason to control my sneezing. Take some breath in. There you go, there's another hic. Well, anyway, folks, there's no sneeze tonight. I thought I was going to get one, but I got the hic.